Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the 4x2 PCS Duracell CR1632 car remote batteries. If you're tired of constantly replacing your car remote batteries, then these Duracell batteries are the perfect solution for you. With a long-lasting power and reliable performance, you can trust in these batteries to keep your car remote working smoothly. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who relies on their car remote every day, having a reliable battery is a must. These Duracell batteries are designed to provide long-lasting power, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your car remote will always be ready when you need it. So, if you're ready to upgrade your car remote batteries, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the 4x2 PCS Duracell CR1632 car remote batteries. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.